Hello, hello. This is the Martin high-rise condo in Las Vegas. I'm actually currently in the penthouse section. So we are on the 44th floor in the Martin, Las Vegas, and this is a luxury high-rise condominium complex. Right now, I am lucky enough to get into a very good listing over here, unit 4400. We are on the second level, or second from the top. Right above us is 18,000 or 13,000 square feet listed for $18 million. But I want to show you the lobby area or the elevator stack area over here because it is different from all other floors. And then we'll head on in and take a look over at the unit. So we go through these double doors, and even the wallpaper here is different than on the other sides. Hey guys. And if we go through, you have different artwork, different, no, you're good, sorry about that. But you have different stylings throughout this unit here, or through this lobby area, or this walkway area. So if we head off here, we're gonna be going to the left. We have two more units down to the right, and there's only a few units on this floor. So if we're heading in, we're gonna be heading off to the left, and this very large door over here, it's a little bit dark, but it has a nice secluded feel to it, but this is unit 4400. Welcome into unit 4400 at the Martin, Las Vegas. Again, my name's Steve Khalilzadegan. I'm broker over at Savi Realty. We do a lot of high-rise condos, and you can find this listing that was just put up not too long ago from the Condomania team over here with Shari and Michelle. They're fantastic. Annika is going to be floating around here a little bit too. She was gracious enough to come over here and let us in today. But I wanted to come in and show you what this is on the 44th floor of the Martin, Las Vegas. We have about 3,200 square feet. And as you can see, fantastic views. We're looking over at the Red Rock. We have North Las Vegas. We have North Strip. And we have the South Strip. This is an end cap unit. So you are the entire end of the building. You are not just one corner, you're multiple corners. So you got the end, and look, right now we got helicopters flying over us. Yeah, awesome, totally. And then right below here, we have the I-15 freeway. And of course, you have all of these hotels. I mean, we have Resorts World just being finished over there. And then, of course, Bellagio, fantastic. You're even high enough that you get to see the huge wheel that we have over there. I call it the London Eye, but it's actually a little bit bigger than the London Eye. It is the Link. Here we go. And then, of course, Vidara and City Center, all right on over there. This unit I've seen has really good use of space. They've had some built-ins in different areas that gives you actually a little bit more square footage for storing your items. But now down this hallway is going to be the bedrooms, but I want to take you over to the living room area and the formal dining room. Right off to the right, we have a bar. Now this unit, of course, can be set up any which way you want. This has open for entertaining. We have the kitchen over to the left. You have your built-in stainless steel appliances, of course, and you have a wine fridge right down below. Love the design they did on this. These cabinets, these are not standard cabinets. These are custom. It's a textured feel. And let's take a look inside. There we go. Very nice. And then you have on the backsplash over here, this is a metal. Fantastic. Very good choice for this one. And then, of course, Wolf appliance here. And, of course, Viking Sub-Zero. I'm sorry, Sub-Zero over on this one for the fridge. Let's take a look inside. Yep, we have beverages. Now, this unit was actually a gray shell. So everything that was a penthouse in the Martin started off as just cement floors. So nothing you see here was something that the developer did or that was just thrown in here. This was custom done. Each unit was custom, 100%. It's not like they came in and had to just pick the flooring. They picked everything. Had a design, or a fully architect design. Oh, and look at this. We're so high up we can see the Raider Stadium just down the street. This tower and panorama are going to be the closest communities over to the Raider Stadium. All you have to do is take this road down here. That's Dean Martin. Goes straight on down. It's only a couple miles away. And I mean, looking at it here, you're saying it's right next door. Then we got the Aria. Again, this kitchen is just fantastic. Very large island. That's the trend. People don't want small islands. We want a lot of space to be able to cook. Here we go. And this unit being an end cap, we have 2 balconies. So each balcony is 217 square feet. And it is quiet out here. I think you're above the wind. You're living in the clouds. We have the Rio just over that way, and then Palms Place and the Palms. Just a fantastic view. You can see the entire city from up here. So if you're in Las Vegas, or if you're just coming to just to hang out, I mean, you can literally see all the way to every mountain in Las Vegas. And this side over here, this isn't another unit. That is your unit still. The only unit that is above you is on the 45th floor, and that unit is the entire floor. Just about 13,000 square feet. This unit that we're in today, 3,200 square feet. Fantastically huge. It's great. For being a high-rise condo, usually they're about 1,100, 1,200 square feet on average. But here you can see everything. Now, this unit is actually a value. I mean, you're looking at, if you're on this side of the building, it's almost $2 million less than being on the opposite side and having the full-on direct strip view. This one is only 2.6 million, or just over 2.6 million. It's a bargain for the price. If we're on the other side, we're over $4 million. Love the linear diffusers here. That is a sign of some modern design. These are all in the mega homes, the multi-million-dollar mega homes off the strip. They're all in those. And then here you have actually some drapes. It looks like these are, of course, automatic drapes. They just don't have them installed right now. And you have speaker system throughout. Of course, LED lighting. One thing that I've seen with this unit so far is the doors are interesting. They're not the same tall doors that everybody's doing. They did more of a standard size door, but they did wider. This is at least 36 inches. So that is neat. Just like this one, I mean, we're well over 36 inches. We're into the 46 range. So that is a little bit of a neat feature of this custom unit. And let's head off over into the bedroom. So there are 3 bedrooms down here, but as it's currently designed, they're using 2 as bedrooms and 1 as more of a Zoom room or a meeting room. Here we go. And then into the laundry room. It looks like this is going to be where your technology area is. And I love how the stone is going all the way up the walls. There's really, a point to their designer on that one. That's just fantastic. And then the lighting that's just underneath the cabinets. This is going into the second bedroom, or your first guest bedroom. Here we go. And I love it. So the faucets come straight out the walls right here. That's nice. That's a neat design, and that had to be thought, of course, in the beginning. That's not something you can do really afterwards. That's a huge project if you want to do it afterwards. But right now, this is looking good. And of course, you have the fancy toilets. I will talk to you and sing. But the glass shower, I love the choice of tile in here. Bringing color into it, and it's not just grays and whites. That's a great idea. Here we go. And you know what? It looks like they have another pocket door here as well. So you have a pocket door within your bedroom. So potentially you could shut this off and have this as a guest bathroom area. That is thinking ahead. Here we go. Again, linear diffusers throughout the unit. That is a very good modern feel to it. It's a much cleaner way of building. And look at this strip view again from your bedrooms. You can't beat that, especially being so high up. And it looks like we have blackout blinds with the tracks in the walls here. So this room will get pitch black and you won't have those light coming through the side. So of course, if you have a late night in Las Vegas, you probably don't want to have an early morning. And here's your bedroom. And let's head on over to the next one. You know what? I think I want to show you the Zoom room or your office room here. Oh, guest bath. And these pocket doors. It looks like they've done a number of pocket doors in this. You know, let me know if you guys like pocket doors. I'm not a fan of pocket doors, but I can see their point and their use here. All right, here we go, into the Zoom room or your office. This is technically the third bedroom, but they have put it as an office. So many people are working, eat from home, obviously, but if you're not, not at home, you need a place to set up. And you need something that looks decent behind you, right? Bring your laptop, set up, you're ready to work. And here into the closet area. We just have a normal closet for this room. There we go. Now this is the master. Heading to the master bedroom. We look to the right. This is going to be your master bath. And again, the stone all the way to the ceiling in every one of these. It is a very good use of it. I hate having paint or just, white. It's nothing. So there we go. Oh, and you gotta like the metal trimming too. The metal trimming on the tiles, that's nice. Now this bath is something that caught my eye. So this bath shower tub combo here. So look at what we're looking at here. We have the shower on this side, and with a mirror and a sitting area along with the tub. So this style has been used in some of the nicest hotels in Las Vegas, and I think whoever designed this has stayed in a few of those properties. This is very good use of space in my opinion. And it looks like we have the shower head or the rain sensor up above. There we go. Ooh, here we go. You got cabinets, extra storage, not just down below. And I'm loving the details that they put in this mirror. Look at, they have the separations. Here, here, here. That makes it just a little bit more depth, right? And they separated the sinks. So you have two sinks on this side, and then you have a little bit more of a makeup area or getting ready section over here. That is a good use of space. I think they've taken all the space and decided to put it into the living room and where you're really entertaining people when you're in Las Vegas. All right, we're in the master bed. This has a few different areas that I like. You have multiple closets. A lot of the times you have really hard to find a unit, even a penthouse unit, that could have a good amount of closets. You have, 4 different closet areas here. So we got 2 over here, 2 on this side. It's his and hers. Even though this is going to be most likely a vacation home, you have plenty of space. Plenty of space for your items that are going to keep in Las Vegas. And I want to point out that we have the surround sound here as well. And you even have a bookshelf or a built-in on this side. And then coming around, this area here, this is actually a very large glass sliding door. They call it a Juliet balcony. Now we can open it up and you can take a look. Now, it's neat that they have such a large sliding glass door in this community. Some of the towers, like if we went right over to Waldorf, they have a very small area that you can open up. But if you're in Veer, you can't open up anything. So this is nice. Oh, you know what? I just heard a bell. Somebody rang my doorbell. But let's wrap this up on here and just slide it. And now you can't hear anything. That really, really blocks that traffic noise from down below. And it looks like we have the blackout blinds in this one as well. Built-in TV. All right, you have seen one of the best penthouses in the Martin. If you found any use from this video, or if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. We'll be doing more of these, and hit the like button if you can. Again, my name is Steve, broker over at Savi Realty, and we are in one of the premier high-rise condos in Las Vegas, directly across from City Center and right down the street from the Raiders Stadium. If you have any questions about this amazing unit 4400 on the 44th floor of the Martin, please give me a call. All my contact information is down below. All right, talk to you guys.